Listen carefully. Have you ever looked at your life and wondered, why am I not moving forward? Why does everything feel like I'm running but not going anywhere? Why does it feel like life is happening around me, not for me? If you have been feeling stuck, heavy, confused, overwhelmed, or like your life is on pause, this video is for you. And I promise you, by the end of this message, you will not live the same. Today, I'm sharing a personal story, one that changed everything for me. And if you stay with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes, you will learn why you actually feel stuck. You will learn the invisible forces holding you back. You will also learn the 3 steps to break free starting today. You understand? I remember a season in my life where I felt stuck in every direction. I mean every direction. Not backward, not forward, not up, not down, just stuck. Real stuck. I feel like waking up every morning inside a room with no doors. A routine that drained more than it gave. I felt a life that is too familiar but not fulfilling. You see, the worst kind of stuck is not loud. It doesn't announce itself. It slowly creeps in. The dreams you once shouted became whispers. The plans you once wrote became folded papers in your drawer. The fire you once carried starts dimming little by little. You tell yourself, I'm fine. But deep down, something inside is screaming, no, you are not fine. You are fading. One day, something that forced me to face the truth headlong. I had to face the truth headlong. I was sitting alone, frustrated, dejected, tired, overwhelmed. I had this feeling like life was passing me by. And at times, each and every one at one time in our life, we feel like, we felt like life is passing us by. And then it hits me. I wasn't stuck actually because I lacked ability. I was stuck because I stopped believing in myself. I stopped trusting that I could start over. I stopped believing that I could grow again. I stopped believing I deserve more. Yes. That's when I realized feeling stuck is a symptom. The real problem is fear. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment. Fear of what people will say. Fear of people's response. Fear of how people will feel. Fear of choosing yourself. I wasn't stuck because life was hard. And I know at times life could be very hard, yes, but at times in our lives, we are not stuck because life is too hard. We are stuck because we are scared. I was stuck because I was scared. Let me tell you something that most people will never admit. People don't get stuck because they are weak. They get stuck because they have been strong for too long without a break. You feel stuck because, one, you are holding onto a version of yourself who you have becoming. I repeat, you are holding onto a version of yourself you have outgrown, rather. You are trying to fit into a life that no longer matches who you are becoming. That is number one reason why I feel stuck. And probably that's the number one reason why you as well feel stuck. 2, you are surrounded by people who benefit from you staying the same way you are. There are some sets of friends, or there are some kinds of friends you have, they are, comfortable you staying the same way you are year after year. Not everyone wants you to rise. I'm telling you from a personal experience, not everyone wants you to rise. Some only like you when you are unpredictable. That is when you are their good friend. You are stuck, number 3, because you are waiting for permission to be more. Nobody is coming to push you. First quarter of the year is where we are right now. Nobody is coming to push you forward. You got to push yourself forward. Comfort is a cage. Gold-plated, still a cage. If you haven't built your confidence in your ability to change your life, that is the biggest chain. You got to build confidence in the ability to change your life. You got to believe in yourself that you have the sole responsibility to change in your life this April. And yes, something that everything that shifted my thinking. One day I asked myself a question that I have never asked before. What if I'm not actually stuck? Because everyone is saying stuck. What if I am not actually stuck? What if I am just too scared to rise? I have a testimony loading. I will share it on this my platform. From now to August, I'll share it. The question broke something in me. What did it break? The truth is, I wasn't stuck actually. I was unprepared for the next level. Next level can be overwhelming, but push forward. And life, in its own strange way, was forcing me to slow down. Life will never give you what you want. You got to go for what you want. You got to move forward. You got to break free for life to give you what you want. So I could grow the confidence I needed to move forward. So I made a decision that day. Not a big one. Not an overnight miracle like some of you are doing right now. No. Just one simple decision. To stop waiting. To stop overthinking. To stop overcalculating. And to start moving. Even if it's small. Even if it's slow. I made that decision. And that 3 steps decision freed me. Freed my life, and it will free you too. I'm telling you this truth. There's no filters. There's no excuses. I am not pretending. I was waiting for the right season to go to school. I was waiting for the right season to how to pay my school fees. I was overthinking. I was calculative. And that kept me one place until I decided to move. And as I moved, life itself moved with me. I'm telling you a real life story. No sugarcoating here. Life will never give you what you want. You got to move yourself forward. Now, say these words. This is not where I want to be. And that's okay. Not because it is where I want, it is not where I want to stay. Take one uncomfortable step today. Stuck lives cannot move you forward. Live outside your comfort zone. Growth might give you discomfort, but that is exactly what you need to move forward. Send this message. Start this page. If you have watched my last video, if I had started this, I opened this channel, this YouTube channel, 2024. It was dormant. It was stuck. Until February 2026, I started attending to this page. Please, create the video. Learn the skill. Ask for the help. Change the routine. Change it. Rebuild your confidence brick by brick. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is not ego. Confidence is not perfection. Confidence is the quiet belief that even if I start small, I can still win. In conclusion, I'm making this video 1st April to charge up your spirit. In conclusion, this is exactly why I've been creating this 30 days confidence challenge series. And I would say with all clarity and with all sincerity that it has done me a lot good. Because the truth is, you don't feel stuck, you feel unprepared. Yes. And confidence is the preparation. Start building your confidence today. Start building your confidence today. And unlock your courage. When you unlock your courage, you unlock your direction. When you unlock your direction, you unlock your life. So if you are watching this video and you are ready to stop feeling stuck, if you are ready to rise again, if you are ready to rebuild your confidence step by step, subscribe to this page, because this journey that we are on is a confidence series and is designed to take you from feeling stuck to becoming unstoppable. Your new life is now waiting for your next month. It starts with the confidence you build today. This is the uplift. Stay rising.